I wouldn't advise it.
I like to prefer other games of chance.
Yeah, like
things
what?
that are more challenging.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
I don't know, you know?
Yeah. I'm ambiguous. You could call me the conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
That's what I was going to say. It's under...
I just realized I'm talking about a movie and you were in Weird Science. How crazy is that? Psychic energy.
And then you came on the show and you were great. So let's stay in touch, you know?
Absolutely.
And maybe some bagels. I really don't remember, but I do remember they had coffee because that's where I learned how to drink coffee.
Okay, I was about to say, what kind of movies? Classic films.
Drag each other down. They're solo acts. They're not a team.
Gray, if you will. And someone said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career.
Some syntactical context and vague in the sense of
I believe so, yes, because it was a hundred.
Jimmy? It was a puppet, and it would always go, is it made of wood? That'd be the...
And how water emerges.
What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.